Wow, look at the birds, Shed. I think they're interested. Where are we gonna stop?
How are you, man?
Alhamdulillah. How are you, brother?
Alhamdulillah. You going fishing today?
Yeah, we have planned to go for deep water.
Deep water?
Yes.
Oh, nice. What about you, Mr. Sid?
Yeah, we're going again Kawakawa Bay. So our last trip was here, was very, very successful. It was a day full of action. So we decided to go again
Okay.
and hoping inshallah it will be again much action today.
Inshallah.
Do you expect any shark today?
Shark, you know,
How about the kingfish?
kingfish, we are looking for kingfish, but shark, you know, like in last episode, we caught 12 sharks
12 shark.
in one spot.
Wow.
And we don't want any more sharks. Yeah, that's it. We
Maybe
just
you
want-
like sharks.
That's why they're coming to us. Not we don't like shark, but maybe they like us. Yeah?
Of course, you are a tasty person, you know.
And especially wow, look at the birds, Chef. I think they're interested. Where are we gonna stop?
Which one was it? Which one was it? Because this is dinner. This is for a minute. Yes, Sajjad, come on. Yes, Sajjad. Big shark.
Don't tell.
Nah, he catch. Oh, yes, I like it. I like it, Sajju, come on. Got your camera going?
Yeah.
As far as you get one fish, you stay. Wow, look at that. Wow.
Sibi?
Bring it over. Bring it over. She's nice and sweet. The way you're pulling, I thought it must be 8 kg.
8 kg, na? Sibi? Wala size day.
The way you are pulling, I thought.
Sibi jode. Sibi da stem na deda. Where's your stem na, Sibi? No, Umar don't need net. His hand is very long. Oh, mashallah, this is the first time. Wow. This is why I was making a video. Show me. Wow. This is record, eh? Like the last lyric da yo. Recording kigi khula ka dona da sahi barashi. Mashallah. Wow, slow. Very slow.
Yalla, what's listen your bounties? Yalla.
You know,
Hey, say,
Alhamdulillah.
Allah Kareem, you know.
What?
you wanted one, eh?
You wanted one? Yeah. Check one back away. Never forget. Never forget.
Yeah, mashallah. You catch big fish like this before?
Never, alhamdulillah.
Look at this fish. Look at this fish.
MashaAllah. He might be bigger than mine, then, fella. I'm jealous now.
Oh. Yeah.
I'd like to see some kingfish. Yes.
It's not a kingfish. Moving his place.
That is good, like good one. You are joining the competition now.
No, I don't think so.
Yes. Why not? Why not?
No, it's not that big. The one Sibi caught.
I saw your rod.
Yeah.
This look big ones.
No, I told you. This is different.
No, mashallah.
Yeah, good size.
Like I was thinking. I mean, like it's not big. The one Sibi caught.
Oh, now he's targeting what TV code. TV code will use the baby. That's a beautiful one. Mashallah, good size.
Oh, he's fighting.
Coming. It's a big fish. Oh, yeah, mashallah. Slowly. Well,
I'm making rescue with you.
Wow, I love it. Look at that, MashaAllah.
Yes. See this tail?
yeah.
He wants the tail.
But it's a good fish anyway.
There's plenty of food down there.
Make you tired?
Oh, I'm not tired. Just I don't want to lose it.
Yes, that's the one. That's the time to follow.
Camera Sajjad.
Yes, camera. Don't worry.
I need fish out.
My camera is off, but anyway, for you it's on.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Yeah.
Slowly, bismillah.
Wow, maybe it's a broken record.
No, man.
He was fighting. God.
Yeah, finally, I got a fish. Look at the camera.
I can't see the camera here, Sajjad. Because here,
Yeah, you just watch the camera, what you can see.
yeah, I can't see the camera.
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar. This is a good one, like 2 kg.
Wow. It's more than
Just leave my fish like a baby.
La, yes, Sheikh.
Leave my fish like a baby.
You still have the record.
Wow.
You still have the big one.
Kingfish.
Yes, Sajjad,
That's action.
الشمس والقمر بحسبان
Whoa, mashallah.
Yes, Sajjad. Come on.
No. No. Yes, very good, eh? Show it. Ooh. Sibito or kudi tam yeah ke no sena. Hey, mashallah.
Good one.
Good one. Finally, Sibi got a Keeper?
Yes, my first one for the day,
Yeah.
for the afternoon actually. Captain,
Good fish.
can you turn the camera this way, please?
Sorry, man. I have big fish here.
Brother, the camera, please. That one's undersized.
I had 2 fish, man.
Put it on
How I
command.
can catch? I have 2 fish. Two.
Release my line first.
You got a Umar's fish up.
Two fish, bro. Yeah.
2 fish.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this, man. You playing just like a baby. You catch a baby, and you asking for camera. Look at these are fish.
Beautiful.
Yeah, both size.
Wow. Wow.
Bigger?
Of course, man. Look at that. One more legal. Sibi.
Yeah. Wow, wow, subhanallah. Bring them up, brother, bring them up. It's a bit illegal, but it's okay now. Once you get your quota, you can't fish.
Look at the high tide sign, eh?
Yeah. All those.
It's the moment it's the low tide, Sheikh.
Yes.
You too.
It's gone out maybe now. On
Yeah.
this side, which side, Sheikh?
Well, whatever the side you like.
I think that one is. This one is okay. You want me to?
This one.
You like this side?
Yeah.
One man need to go or 2 men?